Hello kiddos! Hope you all are doing great today. It's a new class for a new sound. But before we move any further to learn the new sound, let's quickly try to catch these flying letters. Can you say the sounds quickly? Yes, they are A, S, and T. Let's say them once again. S, A, T. Once again. T, S, A. These are the sounds that we have done so far. So today we are going to learn something new and we shall begin with a story. So let's get started. I'm reading the story aloud. Please keep your ears wide open to catch the sound because you will hear the new sound in the story, right? He's Zack. Zack has a white pet mouse. She lives in a cage on his desk in his bedroom. One evening, Zack forgets to close the cage properly. The little mouse climbs out of the cage and starts looking around the desk. Suddenly, she sees a cat watching her. She squeaks, eh, 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 and quickly runs across the top of the desk. Crash! She bumps into a bottle of ink and knocks it over. As the bottle falls, the lid comes off and the ink spills out everywhere, even over the little mouse. The mouse keeps on running as fast as she can, scampering off the desk and across the room to a mouse hole she had seen from her cage. Safe in the mouse hole, she scrubs and scrubs at her fur, but she cannot get all the ink off. She decides that from now on she will make the mouse hole her new home and call herself Inky Mouse. In the morning, Zack finds the mouse missing and sees a little set of inky footprints across the carpet, leading from the desk to the little mouse hole. And that's the end of the story. Inky the mouse now lives in this mouse hole. But do you remember when she saw the cat, she made a sound? Something like eh, eh, eh. Exactly, try to say this sound. Eh, eh, eh. And this is our today's sound. But when you say the sound, you need to do some action. And the action is right here. You need to wiggle your fingers on the end of your nose like whiskers, saying eh, eh. Look at Zack. He's doing the same thing. Keep your fingers on the end of your nose and say eh, eh, eh. Okay? The sound is eh. And this is how it looks like. This is our today's sound. Now, when you know the sound, it's time to check out how do we write it. So please put your fingers up in the air and go straight down. A dot at the top. Say the sound. Eh. Let's do it once again. Index finger in the air. Go straight down. Dot at the top. Say the sound. Eh. 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 Right? Remember that you need to write eh on your notebook in the blue lines only. Now here you come. If you have this paper, quickly write eh on this paper and keep saying the sound after writing it. Let's do it together. Eh, 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 eh. Let's write now in the blue lines. Eh, eh, E, E. You can also color in these pictures. Hope you have done it. A big round of applause for you. Too good. Now let's check out this worksheet. Here we need to circle the pictures in which you hear the E sound. Let's get started. Try to do it yourself. You can pause the video, or if you want to do it with me, let's get started. The sound is E. Ink, guitar. E, ink, guitar. E, ink. Circle this, please. E, igloo, jam. Do you hear E in igloo or jam? E, igloo. Circle, please. E, boat, iguana. Boat, iguana. E, iguana. Iguana. E sound is here. E, insects, juice. Insects, juice. E, insects. Insects. E, injection, hand. E, injection, hand. E, injection. E, injection. I hear here, so I'm circling it. Well done, kids! You made it once again. Let's try out this worksheet. Here we need to check on the pictures where we hear a sound, and where we don't hear, we need to cross them out. So the first picture is of insects. A, insects. Do you hear a? Check it. Kangaroo, kangaroo. No a, cross. Igloo, igloo. You hear it? Check it. Tap, tap. A, tap. We don't hear a in tap. Iguana, iguana. Iguana. Yes, we hear a in iguana. Ink, ink. Ink. Yes, we have a in ink. Let's make a check. And this is your part to draw something. You can either draw an ink pot, an iguana, an igloo, some insects, or whatsoever you want to draw. Bravo! You did so well! Now it's time to do some blending. So let's get started. And be very careful because you are going to read some words, right? It. Together, it. Say it quickly. It. S. I. Sit. Sit. Quickly. Sit. At. At. Quickly. At. S. A. Sat. Sat. Quickly. Sat. Too good. Try to read words at your home as well. You can copy down these words in your notebook and keep reading them again and again. Now let's take out your notebooks because we are going to write some words now. Be careful with the lines, you know where to write which sound. So can you please write the sound S? S. Did you write it something like this? Well done. Can you write A? A. A. Like this. Please write t, t, t. T is special, so you need to begin it right from the middle of two lines. T. Now let's try to write today's sound. E, e, e. It's here. Please write the word it. It. What are the sounds that you hear in it? E, t, e, t. It. Make sound dots. Excellent. Let's try to write the word sit. Sit. Say the sounds with me. S, it. Let's write it together. S, e, e. This is e, s, e, t. Sit, sit. Did you write it like this? Well done! And with this, we are towards the end of our today's lesson. You have this paper with you so you can color the pictures in which you hear the I sound. Leave the other pictures blank, right? And it's the wind-up time. But before you leave the video, remember you have got some homework to do. Please find 5 objects around you that have I sound in them. And the next homework is so exciting because you need to watch a video of this iguana with your parents. So go do the first homework first and then watch a video of iguana on YouTube with somebody who can help you in finding out the right content. This is all from my side today. I'll see you the next time. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.